Alright guys, in this video we're going to look at setting up our emails. So what we'll do is we come back down to settings again and we're going to go to email services. Now you will have something set up in here from your agency owner or from Go High Level when you first set up, but what you should do to get better email deliverability is set up your own custom domain. Please bear in mind, if you're setting up a new subdomain, etc., you will need to warm up this email address before you start using it to send out mass emails. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to dedicated domain and IP, and then we're going to add domain. So what I'm going to do here is, instead of sending it from as top secret AI tips, I'm going to create a subdomain. So I'm going to put in support.topsecret tips.com, and then we're going to add and verify. And what this will do now is it will go and actually search for our DNS settings, and we're going to go OK, and then this should populate some settings that we're actually going to have to go and put inside GoDaddy to get it all to work. So these are the exact records we're going to add. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in and we're going to add a text file first. So if we go in and we add some records, so we're going to add a text record, the first thing we copied. We're going to go back and copy the other parts of that, and then we're going to hit paste. We're then going to go and choose the next record, copy that, and that was a text record as well. We hit paste, and then we're going to copy that as well. That's your SPF that we're going to be putting in. I'm going to add another record. We're going to hit a CNAME. Hit the CNAME. I'm going to copy that one. And then copy the next one to it. Add another record. Then we're going to put some MX records in. Paste that one in. Now we're going to add one more record. Hit this one. This is also an MX record. Paste that one in. And then the last one. I'm going to paste that one in. And so then we're going to hit save all records. So then it's going to ask us if we want to keep that. So I'm going to save it, and it's going to change the records. Sorry, priority. Just updating our DNS records now. So now they have updated. Now if we go back to here and we hit verify records, this can actually take a while sometimes to actually show up. So I am actually going to pause the video for a couple of minutes. Okay, so that has now verified. So that is actually your email setup. There is actually a couple more points that you do need to get set up, but I'm going to cover that in a different video because rules have changed as of last month, and now you need to make sure that you've got your proper DMARC settings set up. Your DKIM settings need to be set up as well. So I'm going to show you an easy little tool to go and check and make sure all your settings are completely correct, and also show you where you can actually make a DMARC record for your domain. So that's all set up, guys, and I'm going to catch you all in the next video.